Do you want to become a man that every woman appreciates and values? Do you have what it takes to become desirable to women? You need to become a man they can trust and rely on, someone with high value who is sophisticated, charming, and masculine. So, where do these high values come from? This is a question we can help answer in this video, as we will teach you about 10 traits of a high-value man. Follow along to become the man who lights up every room he sets foot into. Make sure to watch the video all the way to the end to become the boss and the main character of your story. If you are new here, this channel is all about teaching you how to become the best version of yourself and how to attract the women you really want in your life. So make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Let's start. Number 1. He is emotionally intelligent. The first and most important trait of a high-value man is that he is emotionally intelligent, as he is considerate of other people's feelings and knows how his actions can impact others. What is emotional intelligence, though? It is the ability of a man to understand, use, and manage his emotions in ways that relieve stress and empathize with others. Women find emotionally intelligent men extremely attractive because an emotionally intelligent man doesn't act as if you own him for being nice to you. The most obvious sign of emotional intelligence that makes a man valuable is that he communicates and passes out his feelings in a healthy way because he understands that the fight is with the problem and not with their partner. Overall, the emotionally intelligent men are nice because they are genuinely nice and do not just label themselves as nice or good boys. So, do you have this trait of a high-value man in you? Are you ready to listen and speak your heart out while not giving up on your relationship? Do not be an emotionally stunted man. Imagine a woman having to deal with her emotions and yours as well. Adopt emotional intelligence and become the sweetheart of every woman you come across. Number 2. He is goal-oriented. Are you the kind of man who always has a plan chalked out to do things his way, whatever the risks might be? He is open to feedback and criticism. He likes to play hard with a purpose in mind. Yes, that's a very high-value man. A high-value man has a growth mindset that makes him work towards his goals by seeking learning and growth opportunities. A high-value man never fears failure and is always ready to make the most of whatever challenges life throws at him. All you need to adopt, a goal or growth-oriented mindset, is to clearly know the direction you want to move in. Keep your focus intact and be ready for the risks to make yourself worthy of the reward in the end. Number 3. He is respectful. Nobody likes a man who boasts about his sexual encounters or financial achievements. Respect is the foundation of any meaningful and positive relationship. Aretha Franklin literally sang about it. A high-value man practices the principle of respect to maintain a healthy and long-lasting relationship. You would be surprised to learn that some women prefer respect over love because when hardships of life arrive in a relationship, love might fly out the window, but respect should never. A man who respects women does not see them as mere commodities or toys, but as equal individuals. A high-value man respects his woman, or any woman for that matter, and gives them their personal space. If you ever caught yourself mansplaining, telling a woman what to do, and overstepping their boundaries, now is the time to make the change if you want to build a healthy relationship. A high-value man would never let anyone feel small around them, as he uplifts people in his life and helps them grow by respecting their struggles in life. Intertwine love and respect and see the magic you can create in your relationship. Make your woman feel like the queen that she is. Number 4. He has a high sense of self-worth. The fourth most important trait of a high-value man is that he has high self-esteem. Mind you, having high self-esteem does not equal overconfidence and arrogance. A man with high self-esteem leads a content life because he maintains a positive outlook on life despite hurdles and hard times. You don't want to be a man who is constantly looking for validation and likes to seek attention by becoming self-deprecating. Do you? A man who knows his worth and is aware of his abilities is the one you should follow if you want to become attractive to women. If you are looking for a recipe for a healthy relationship, this is the one ingredient you most need to add to your personality if you want to impress women. It might not all be easy peasy lemon squeezy, but you can start working on your self-confidence and self-esteem today to become a better and more highly valued man tomorrow. Just know that you are awesome. You do not have to fit into the stereotypical standards of men set by society. Evolve for yourself, not for others, because nobody takes care of a woman better than the man who takes care of himself. Number 5. He is assertive, not aggressive. Are you the man who lets the world walk over him, yet you are the one who says sorry? We need to change that now, because an assertive man is a high-value man. He is anything but a people pleaser. He does not fear standing up for himself, even if the whole world is against him. People often confuse assertion with aggression. Men who practice aggression and like to control others are super unattractive. Assertion, on the other hand, makes a man more grounded. If you want to avoid being labeled as having toxic masculinity, your behavior should not be confrontational or manipulative. Instead, learn to be confident in your values and beliefs and not be scared to speak up for the right reasons. At first, you might end up pushing people away, but it is their loss. Those who stay are the ones who genuinely care. Number 6. He takes care of himself. Did you ever notice that most women are attractive because they are fond of keeping themselves healthy and hygienic? Men often forget to invest in their physical appearances and end up wondering where things went wrong. That is because they are so wrapped up in taking care of people around them that they totally neglect themselves. Taking care of others is absolutely wonderful, but you also need to take care of yourself, because a high-value man takes care of himself, both physically and mentally. You have one life and one body. You yourself could care. Once you take care of your physical well-being, you will experience healthy and positive thinking. Even science backs it up. A high-value man is always energetic. Not saying that they never have lows, but they tackle them with a healthy, positive mindset, because they are in better shape. Now, taking care of yourself does not always mean hitting the gym or following a strict diet. You can choose a lifestyle that suits you, like going out for a walk daily or eating home-prepared meals. Follow a skincare regime too if you want to step up your game further. Effort makes any man attractive. Number 7. He has a good sense of humor. As cliché as it sounds, a good sense of humor is a highly rated trait of a high-value man. Women go crazy over men who know how to lighten up the mood with fun and playful conversation. People hold on to memories for a long time. Similarly, women remember how someone made them feel. A man with a good sense of humor makes them feel easy to talk with. He does not put them on edge. Women are rarely fans of men who are too serious or ostentatious, though one should not always joke around. A pinch of humor just makes life easier. Analyze yourself. Do small things bother you? Do you lose your temper quickly whenever a small inconvenience occurs? Time to strong-arm your way into the game with some humor if you want to become appealing to women. There is no doubt that the struggles of life make us bitter or pessimistic towards life. Life has a way of taking away that beautiful smile, but you can snap out of it with a full-on belly laugh. All it is going to take is a change of perspective. Why be sad about things one cannot change? It's better to laugh at it and make it worthwhile. You can become the life of the party with this simple trait. Number 8. He is not needy. Continuous neediness in a man is such a huge turnoff. Women do not really like men who always want something. It is either time or attention. While a man deserves both, sometimes seeking attention and too much time from others takes things south, because each of us has a lot going on in our lives. Women say that we cannot put our needs behind us just for a needy man who is never really satisfied. This is why a man who is not needy is a high-value man. Approval and validation are the last things he wants. He is extremely self-reliant and does not burden his partner to keep him happy. If you want to become such a man, simply do not ask others for help too often, especially when you can do it yourself. Do not underestimate your abilities. Do not hide behind others. Stand up for yourself and others to become instantly attractive. Unfortunately, nobody likes a meek man. Number 9. He stands by his word. Men who keep their promises and stand by their word forever stay in demand. They are highly valued because of their integrity. Women are tired of listening to fake promises made by men. We'll do this, we'll do that, but when it comes to practically doing it, they escape from the back door. A high-value man fully understands the importance of his word, so he gives whatever it takes to fulfill it, unlike men who are late or never show up because something came up last minute. If you practice this type of integrity and honesty, not only will women find you attractive, but also trustworthy. Number 10. He is honest. The last, yet most important trait of a high-value man is his honesty. There might be days when you do not find your partner's opinion aligned with your beliefs. It is okay as long as you politely communicate your concern without becoming dishonest with yourself or your partner. For a high-value man, transparency and honesty are primary values. He is ready to accept his mistakes and apologizes without making a big deal out of them. He will not make excuses or lie to cover up his mistakes. Moreover, he will not hesitate to call you out if you lie or deceive him. Cheating, deceiving, or miscommunicating is never an option for a high-value man. Take notes. Always remember to strike a balance in whatever you do. Extremity is dangerous, because balance is just another supreme quality of a high-value man. Now, you need to watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. It will show you 12 things high-value men never do that low-value men always do. Make sure to watch it now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.